how to remove the CD player and the radio on a Volkswagen Golf. First thing you'll need to do is get a couple keys like this. You stick in the sides, there's little slots here you can see in the corners. Put them all the way in. The other side. Now before you take it out, you just got to realize that the power for the CD player feeds off the head unit here, so there's a wire connecting them both. So initially you can just pull this one out just a bit, and then we'll move down to this one. So basically you can just pull out now, that releases a bit, just get out a bit, little tabs on the side, just push those in just to release them, push the other one, release it, that's out. Right, we'll do the lower one, same key all the way in. Key all the way in, that releases it, push the tab in on the side, release the key, release the key, just pull the bottom one out, you'll see some electrics, so the area on the side, that just pulls off. This electrics down here, you just squeeze little tabs in, it disconnects them, right there. That's disconnected. For this, there's just a little tab you can push at the ends. It's color coded. Just lift it up. You may have to take them out in the block. You can see the little tabs. You just squeeze them together to release. Top one just pulls out. And that's electrics below. Just squeeze these 2 points here. And that releases that. And that's the unit out. So just a tip, when you're releasing the key, so you obviously put it back in. And to release it, you can just push this tab. And that lets the key go. Like that. And you're done.